Hey! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to make $200 per day with side hustles. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation or want to pay off some bills, these side gigs can help you boost your income. Remember, consistency and dedication are key to success in any side hustle. 1. Ride-sharing and food delivery. If you own a car, ride-sharing and food delivery services can be a fantastic way to earn extra cash. Sign up as a driver for platforms like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or Uber Eats. You can set your own schedule and work when it suits you best. The more rides or deliveries you complete, the more you can earn. Don't forget to consider peak hours for higher earnings. 2. Online surveys and market research. Participating in online surveys and market research can be a simple and convenient side hustle. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback, and they're willing to pay for it. Sign up for reputable survey websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research to start earning money for sharing your opinions. 3. Freelance writing and content creation. Are you a talented writer or creative person? Use your skills to become a freelance writer or content creator. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients seeking content for blogs, websites, or social media. Pitch your ideas, deliver high-quality work, and build a portfolio to attract more clients. 4. Pet sitting and dog walking. If you love animals, pet sitting or dog walking can be an enjoyable and lucrative side hustle. Join platforms like Rover or Wag, where pet owners look for reliable caregivers. Spending time with adorable pets while getting paid? It doesn't get much better than that. 5. Rent out your space on Airbnb. Got an extra room or property lying vacant? Consider listing it on Airbnb. Short-term rentals can generate significant income, especially if your place is in a popular location. Ensure your space is clean, inviting, and well photographed to attract more guests. 6. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject or have expertise in a skill, consider becoming an online tutor. Platforms like VIP Kid and Teachable offer opportunities to teach English or other subjects online. You can set your hourly rate and work with students from around the world. 7. Selling handmade products online. Are you a crafty person? Turn your hobbies into cash by selling handmade products on platforms like Etsy. Whether it's handmade jewelry, art, or home decor, there's a market for unique and personalized items. 8. Rent out your camera gear or equipment. If you own high-quality camera gear, consider renting it out to photographers or filmmakers in your area. Websites like ShareGrid and KitSplit facilitate equipment rentals and provide insurance coverage for your gear. 9. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn passive income. Sign up as an affiliate for products or services you believe in and share your unique referral link with your audience. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you'll earn a commission. 10. Renting out your car. Do you have a car that sits idle most of the time? Why not put it to work and earn extra money by renting it out? Platforms like Turo allow you to list your car for rent, and you can set your own daily or hourly rate. People who need a car for a short period can rent it from you, and you'll get paid for the duration of the rental. Just make sure your car is well maintained and cleaned between rentals to provide a great experience for your customers. And there you have it. 10 side hustles to help you make $200 per day. Remember, the key to success is to find a side hustle that aligns with your skills and interests, and to stay consistent and dedicated. Always deliver value and prioritize your customers' or client satisfaction. Which side hustle are you excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.